Peace, fam. This is Tyreek. Just shouting out DJ, the money coach. He helped me today. We spoke, and he explained how I could refinance 5.75% to 4.14% and save from $150 to $300 per month on my mortgage, and knocking off 1 to 9 years off of my mortgage over the lifetime of the mortgage. In addition to that, I would be able to take the money that I saved and per month and allocate that to paying off debt that I have. Appreciate that. Essentially, I'm knocking off multiple birds with one stone. Kudos to you, sir, and your team, and I'm looking forward to continued business with you.